Want to use two SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus? Here's how to set up dual SIM using the SIM card manager. First things first, open your settings, tap on Connections, and then select SIM Manager. Here you'll see all your active SIMs, including physical SIM cards and any eSIMs you've added. Keep in mind that while you can store multiple eSIM profiles, usually only two SIMs can be active at the same time. Next, scroll down to Preferred SIMs. This is where you decide which SIM your phone should use by default. For calls, you can choose a specific SIM or select Ask Always. Choosing Ask Always is helpful because it lets you pick the SIM each time you make a call. For messages, select the SIM you want to use for texting. And for mobile data, choose the SIM card that will handle your internet connection. Now, if you want to make sure you never miss a call, tap More SIM Settings and enable Dual SIM Always On. This allows call forwarding between your SIMs, so if you're on a call with one line, calls to the other line can still come through. Finally, let's get organized. Tap on a SIM card and rename it to something like Work. You can also change the icon, like a briefcase for work or a house for your home line, and that is how you master the dual SIM setup on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching till the end.